I spent the entire last week building a portfolio management system as if my portfolio is like 1 CR big. So firstly, I downloaded the investment report that I had under my name. Now you're gonna have an IPS because as an investor, it is very important to define your goals and most people go wrong here. This IPS is going to be like your profile which you're going to feed to AI so that it knows you as an investor. So one of you recommended that I have a proper risk management system in place. I also added the valuation analysis so that I'm always up to date with my investments. A very important part of investments is that you need to know how to capitalize on your returns and not lose out when the markets go down. Now, ideally, you do need to give time for your fund to perform. So, accordingly, I have designed a rebalancing strategy with quarterly checks and reviews. Now, personally, one of the best features that I have added here is the ability for me to take notes anywhere in this tracker. So, there is a proper thesis tracker in place for all my investments so that I'm constantly reminded of why I did that investment. Apart from these main features, there were also some mini features like, ratio analysis, Monte Carlo simulations, a heat map of correlational matrix between all of my investments. Now, I also wanted to schedule a periodic report using Claude, but obviously I ran out of the tokens. If you want to know in detail how I did this, I have a WhatsApp community which you can join where I'll be sending the tutorial in a few days.